We got him. Glasses acquired. Why are you walking in the middle of the parking lot? Buddy, what are you doing, man? Oh, you're turning left. Of course you are. Sorry, lady. Oh no, I think I actually... Do I want the left or the right? That's gonna be not fun. It is a left, great. I did not realize where I was going. Thought I knew. I think these people are blocking the intersection too. Mayhem. Absolute mayhem right now. Here in southwest, but not that far southwest Connecticut. I really just don't like being in the right lane on this highway, which is annoying because it automatically, you feel like you should be passing people, you know? Like, watch, let's jump over here in the right, be a good noodle, because I'm not trying to go dumb fast and speed or be passing people. I'm overthinking this shit. Trying to be too good of a human being. Just gotta ride my ride, do my thing, live my life. Look at this timing though. I mean, look at the traffic going the other direction. Come on. Make it, make it, make it, make it. I'm not going to be obnoxious, but let's make it. Yes. I seriously don't even know why I navigated home. I knew exactly where I need to go, and now I got this Aussie lady in my ear. So you know what we're gonna do is we are going to, if we can find the goddamn button. There we go. New glasses certainly feel clear. Ooh, that's a cool little car. A little rusted, but still cool. I don't know who that guy was. I just saw him riding around in a golf cart with his son, so I waved. I am going to avoid that dumbass intersection, if you remember me talking about that and hating that. Because look at this mayhem. Look at these birds. Flying south. Gave that guy a nice big swerve because I really wanted him to see me. So I presented myself. I think these signs are massively misleading that you can't take a left turn, but I'm about to. We're going up this way, you know? Put it in moon gear. Hi, Woofer. I'm supposed to be back at work right now. I think, was he not actually turning right? Yeah, he was. Alrighty, YouTube. If you're still with me, I appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you do. I don't ask for subscriptions often. I don't want to, but I think liking helps too. Like it, subscribe to it, ring those bells, comment. Let me know you're watching. Let me know what you want to see, where you want me to go. I'm down to go and do things. You know, plenty of things could be done. Oh yeah, I feel bad. I don't really have raw audio per se. I don't have raw audio because I'll be riding along like this and then I'll sniffle, you know. So, long story long, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. I'm enjoying these, so yeah, bye.